back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fake it until you can make it. Okay, today felt like putting on a little ponytail, as you can see. Yeah, but the hair is growing. The hair is like, y'all see this? The hair is, y'all see this, right? The hair is growing. Anyways, so I found me a quick pony by Outre, and I believe this is the size, this is the large. So it's called the Pretty Quick Pony Afro Large. Okay, that's what it says right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. There you go, right there. And it's by Outre, and Outre, whatever. It's premium synthetic fiber, guys. Now, it is gonna look like this. Can y'all see that? There you go. There you go. So this is what it's gonna look like. Okay? But we're gonna fix it up. So we're gonna gel it up. I'm gonna just gel up all my hair. Right? Just gel it up. Make it look like it's in a ponytail, but it really isn't in a ponytail. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, I've done this before, don't worry. Okay, so the gel I'm gonna be using, of course, is the Eco Style gel. This is the crystal, the clear one. I don't like this one. I don't like it. I am used to the green one, which is is it olive oil? To help me, we're gonna be using the Shine and Jam, the orange bottle. The best one, I think this is the Super Hold. Yeah, this is the Super Hold. I think this is what a lot of the girls use for the edges and when they're doing their braids, right? I think, maybe. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get to gelling up, okay? Let's just get to faking it. Of course. So my hair is not 4C. It is maybe 4B. Oh no, 4 years? I thought my hair was 4C. It is not. It is not 4C. I was gonna make the edges because I don't really need. That's where I want to focus on the edges to get that slick look around. Okay, got a little hard brush here. Maybe I should turn this mirror around. Oh God, what's going on? I'm just gonna look at this mirror here. Woo! Okay. Then I'm going to, we're gonna put some, is that Teacher Moses? She made 5 million writing one song? Oh wow. Okay, then I'm gonna do this to the edges. They'll be combed out and then brushed out, don't worry. I'm not gonna do too much to the back because the way this ponytail is set up, you won't see the back, really, that much. Okay. And then I'm just gonna comb out this edge, control. And then we're gonna, ooh, Poppy. Oh. Okay. Oh, Now, I'm just gonna take this right here, and I'm going to set it with this edge scarf, whatever, I don't know what it is, guys. And we're gonna set it and then we'll be back, okay? Okay, here we go, guys. So, you guys know what these ponytails look like. They have the comb here, and then they have the comb at the bottom, and then you have the string to tighten it, right? Y'all know what these come. Now, because I'm trying to fake it, right? I'm not really gonna put this too tight, right? I'm gonna put it tight enough. So, I'm just gonna start right here. I think I want it right there. And then I take the bottom. See, guys, my hair is growing so much, but I have so much hair at the back, right? So there you go, guys. Now, I do have to hide this. Now, because I don't actually have a ponytail, right? I would probably have to put quite a few bobby pins in there, right? Okay, so let's take this off. All right. Okay, and look, you can see how I baked it. You see that? I just faked it. Now, what you could do is probably just add a headband or something. Like, I'll show you. Right? Have it. Look at that. Sometimes you gotta fake it before you make it. Right? I want to be over here. Oh, the battery's about to die. But I'm gonna get my screen in. Okay, and then I'm gonna take it off. There we have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't be scared to meet me in the comments. All right? Thank you guys so much for watching again. Take care and God bless. Bye.